Tappy activated. Hey, my bite-sized buddies and future billionaires. Today, we've got something really cool on our agenda. How to store your crypto assets in a self-custodial wallet. Now, let's have a look at how to get started using a self-custodial wallet using TrustWallet as an example. This kind of wallet supports more than 100 blockchains, and you can both install it on your phone and have it as a browser extension on your laptop. Now, let me tell you how you can create a new account. Install the app on your smartphone. Write down a seed phrase during the account setup stage and keep it as secure as it goes. Let me repeat, this is crucial. If you lose your seed phrase, you will lose access to your wallet and all your funds. Following the instructions on screen, complete the setup. Once you're done with the backup and verification process, you'll be directed to the main wallet interface. You can choose a cryptocurrency for funding there. You can fund your Trust Wallet through the app using your debit or credit card. If you have an account with a CEX, you can transfer cryptocurrencies from the exchange to your wallet. By the way, do you know how we robots pay for things? With cash! Heh. Now, attention! Make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit that pretty bell to take part in more crypto adventures. Tappy deactivated.